Hello everyone, my name is Cassandra Whitney and I'm about to present to you my brief synopsis of chapters 7 and 8 and Stephen Lucas's Art of Public Speaking. There were a couple of things that stood out with me in chapter 7, gathering our materials. And the first thing that stood out with me was the fact that even with using the internet, we still need to utilize our library, which is great for me because when I was in high school, that's how we did our research papers. You had two choices. You could either go to the school library or you could go to the public library. And that's how we were able to get our information when it came to doing any of the papers that were required of us. The second thing that stood out with me is the notes and how efficient we needed to be when writing our notes. And even better, that when we're writing our notes, they need to be written in the same way every single time. And also, the main thing is, in writing our notes, we need to make notes within our notes so that when it comes time to bring it all together, we will be able to without any problems because it will make sense to us. And chapter 8, supporting our ideas, I liked the thing about examples when it was talking about the 3 different kinds. When you had the brief example, when you're just using a case to illustrate a point in passing, then we had the extended example. That's pretty much a story that you use to illustrate a point in your speech. And then we have the hypothetical example, which just basically means a made-up story or something to also try to illustrate a point in regards to our speech. The other thing that stood out with me was the importance of statistics and how statistics pretty much bring your speech to life, so to speak. It is, we're able to quantify it, we're able to validate what we're saying. But the most important thing with our speech, when it comes to our statistics in our speech, is that we need to make sure that the sources when it comes to our statistics are reliable and non-biased. Because whether we like it or not, we're going to have people that are going to listen intently to what we're saying, and there's going to be some skepticism, especially when it comes to our sources not being reliable. So those are the things that stood out with me when it comes to both of those chapters. I hope that you guys had something different or you could add to what I'm saying, and I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Thank you.